All right, so what you do is you anchor into your ceiling, anchor into a pole, playground, doesn't matter where, as long as you can just anchor in with your anchor strap right there, that black body strap right there. Then you got your mechanical advantage stretching system with Aratom. And then you add the amount of bands that you want to have in there. And then instead of using a body strap, you come back with another anchor strap. And so you're doing that because it's got different loops that you can grab onto all the way down to try to find the sweet spot for where you're trying to get the traction or the amount of mobility in your shoulder to then activate the bands by pulling the rope to get your arm into position. And so as you can see, what I'm doing in my video is I've got a bad left shoulder, so I'm trying to work from behind, pulling my arm up in the air and pulling back down, and just trying to find the areas that I'm having a lot of pain. So if you work at this and you try different things, you'll find that you'll be able to target your shoulder in ways that you just normally can't with bands. That you can adjust the resistance and adjust the amount of assistance that you're giving your shoulder. So check out our other videos.